Everyone, today we are going to see washi tapes, but before watching video please welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see washi tapes and stickers making DIY. So for that we need a sheet of paper with black and white print, or you can take a color print, but I suggest black and white is more suitable. Before watching full video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So I am here using a print of cute stickers that I found on Pinterest. You can also look on a Pinterest for more such cute stickers. I really love the the search result you get. There are many things that you will get so easily. So here I am using a cute stickers and I am cutting all the edges. Actually we need to stick a sellotape on it, but these stickers are unequal, so they are not going to fit in a one tape. That's why I first cut all them. Here you can see they are all stickers are in one line in one shape. That's why I first take the the tape, and then you need to stick it so well. You need to remove all bubbles, and similarly follow for all stickers. The process you need to follow for all stickers like I have shown in the video. There are so cute and so small stickers. That's why you need to stick tape first, and I am not going to cut them separately. I am using it as a washi tape. You know what is a washi tape. To cut whole single line. Again a cute little sticker. You can see I have stick a tape on it. Now it's time to cut these little strips carefully. Okay, so we got our tapes. You can see that tape had a bubble. That's why it's not useful, so I throw it. Now a main part of our video, you need to soak all these stickers in water for 2 to 3 minutes. As you can see, enough water so that stickers get soaked in it. Follow the process for all other stickers and tapes. After 3 to 4 minutes, let's see if they are almost soaked. Then start slowly removing the back side of our sticker paper print. You can see a little transparent print. We need to remove it very gently, otherwise our sticker will get torn. As you can see a transparent print like a washi tape. Yeah, so cute. I'm so loving this. Now I am using it on my water bottle. You can use it wherever you want. You can see it from another side. That's a great thing about it. See, and the remaining stickers I have stick them on my switchboard. As you can see, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next video.